And hi there, and welcome back to Wondershare Dr.Fone. My name is Francisco, and today we're going to be looking into how you can get 100 IV Pokemon using a map. And before we get started, you have to subscribe to our channel for related content just like this moving forward. So come along and let's find out how you can get 100 IV Pokemon just like that. So now as for part 1, location spoofers versus VPN versus PokeGo++, what's going to be the difference? So Pokemon Go is a game loved by millions around the globe, as it has caressed throughout our childhood from cartoons to games and more. Pokemon Go has achieved a similar love and reach. To increase the game's functionality, it was discovered that the game could be played by changing the location of the smartphone device. So this actually helped them reach out to more Pokemon, which made them increase their inventory by lots. So to understand how you can change your device's location, there are going to be 3 major ways of getting that done that have been discovered as the solution to the location changing. First one is going to be location spoofers. So these are going to be pretty simple applications that change the GPS location of the smartphone device. Usually common across Android devices, these can be downloaded across desktop and can be used in order to change the location as appropriate. It is as simple as just changing the location for GPS spoofing. Now, another highlighting feature of using location spoofers is their easy to use process with no need to root the devices. Next up is VPNs. So virtual private networks have diverse usability across the digital scale. Where it has many other applications, it can also be a great location changing service for your device. By changing the IP address and protecting the original one, users can teleport across another location and play Pokemon Go with ease. So VPNs are accessible across both iOS and Android devices, just like so. Next up is PokeGo++. For an enhanced and free experience of playing with Pokemon, PokeGo++ is a great alternative to the Pokemon Go game, where it is a legal application for both iOS and Android users. It can be downloaded through third-party installer and can be played with the same gaming experience as with Pokemon Go. As it bypasses real-life walking, playing with Pokemon gets much easier than before. Now for part 2, must follow guidelines when teleporting in Pokemon Go. So the teleport hack is quite common in Pokemon Go. However, there still are some risks that are associated with this. If you want to keep yourself safe from the developers of the game, there are some important guidelines that need to be looked at first. We have discussed them in the video for you. So first off, look out for the cooldown time. It is understandable that the game is playable while traveling. While the location is changed to thousands of miles within minutes, a profile can get flagged. Hence, there is a certain cooldown time that needs to be looked out for while playing Pokemon Go. It is referred to as the time that is required by the user to wait to play Pokemon Go after changing their location. There is no specific time limit set for this. However, we have found some recommendations as displayed on the screen that can be considered, as is the cooldown time. So 1 to 5 kilometers could be 1 to 2 minutes, and 6 to 10 can be 3 to 8 minutes, 11 to 100 can be 10 to 30 minutes, 100 to 250 can be 30 to 45 minutes, 250 to 500 can be 45 to 65 minutes, 500 to 900 can be 65 to 90 minutes, and 900 to 13,000 kilometers can be 90 to 120 minutes or 2 hours. Always log out before teleporting in the game. So whenever you do consider teleporting across the game, you should make sure that you're first logged out from the account, even if it is running in the background. It would detect the change and the location and then lead over to a temporary or permanent ban to your account. And so if you want to avoid this, sign out of your account before you make any changes to your account. And you can also try enabling and disabling airplane mode before teleporting. So users found this to be another impressive technique to implement while teleporting across PokeGo++. So whenever you're changing your location, you should make sure that you enable and disable airplane mode across your device. And while trying out this method, close the application, but make sure that you're logged in with your account. Turn on airplane mode and then disable it just before launching the PokeGo++ application. As it loads, you can now change the location across the game with ease. So teleporting is never really guaranteed. These methods are appropriate to try, but they still are not 100% operational. You should be aware that they cannot work for every single user. there can always be certain anomalies for every other user. Thus, while trying these methods, make sure of it that teleporting is not really guaranteed, just so that you do know that. Now for part 3, how to teleport in Pokemon Go on iPhone. So do you want a solid solution to teleport in Pokemon Go across your iPhone? Although we have discussed some methods before, they still can lack at some point. But what if you come to know that there is one tool that does not malfunction? So DrFone Virtual Location for iOS provides you with the perfect results while changing the location across your iPhone to play Pokemon Go. So while this tool works with ease, its extensive features make it a special offer in the market. However, if you seek to use this for teleporting across Pokemon Go, please make sure how you get into the steps coming right up. So first off, open up DrFone on your computer and then select virtual location from the available options. You need to make sure that your iPhone is connected to your computer through a USB cable. And then next, go ahead and click on Get Started, and then find the original location of your device across the window that opens up. To activate the teleport mode, you will find the first icon from the left on the top right panel, and then set the location where you want to shift to across the search bar. As you proceed there, go ahead and confirm the location and click Move Here to teleport yourself there successfully, and then the location will be changed across your iPhone successfully as well. So for part 4, how to teleport in Pokemon Go on Android. You can also try the exact same teleport hack for Pokemon Go across on Android. Where users have referred this to be easier for Android, we will be trying this out on your devices, and there are many fake GPS applications available across the Play Store for you to download. So just make sure that you use any appropriate application to function properly. We will be using fake GPS location by Alexa for this purpose, so let's try out this method together. And before you download the application, you need to access the Android settings and then proceed to its About Phone settings. And then there, you have to find the option of Software Info and look for the build number option in the list and tap it 7 times to become a developer so that you can access developer settings. And then lead back over to the settings of your Android device and then look for developer options in the list. Enable the option of Allow Mock Locations across the list on the next screen, and then download the fake GPS app on your Android device and then lead back to the settings again. Go across the developer options and set the installed device as an option for mocking the location across the device across the provided options. And now you can easily change the location across your Android device and use Pokemon Go with ease just like that. And we are finally done with this video here. We do hope that you got to know much more about the methods and the things associated with it. So if you liked our video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Now, until next time, have a good one.